Good morning, students. Myself Kiran Yadav. I am your English teacher of class 3rd. I hope you all are fine at your home. So, welcome to your new session 2021-22. Today we will study together chapter number 2. Topic is the Magic Garden. Your book name is Marigold. Pages we will read 7 to 9. Let's start. So, first of all, we will know some difficult words. First is lovely. Lovely means very beautiful or pleasing. What? Very beautiful or pleasing. Second is buzzing. Making a low continuous humming sound. Humming sound कैसा होता है? Like this. Zzz. Like this, it's buzzing. Next is sleepy head. A person, especially a child, who is tired and looks as if he wants to sleep. That's called sleepy head. Last, tiniest. What is the spelling of tiniest? T-I-N-I-E-S-T. Tiniest means smaller with regard to size. Means very small. Okay, now move to the next questions. So here are some questions and answers which are already given in your textbook. So here your question first. Why did the flowers love the little children? So tell me, students, why the flowers loved the little children? So answer will be the flowers loved the little children because they water the thirsty roots of flowers and dig the ground nicely. Okay. Now next question number 2. Why did the birds love the little children? The answer will be the birds loved the children because they used to bring bread for them. Question number 3. Name 5 flowers growing in the magic garden. So, here were 5 flowers. The flowers growing in the garden are pansy, sunflower, marigold, poppy and rose. Next is, what sounds could the children hear in the garden? So, sorry, this spelling is wrong. Here in the garden, the children could hear the sound of sweet songs sung by fairies. कौन सा साउंड सुनते हैं वो? जो वहाँ की फेरीज थी वो बहुत अच्छा गाना गाती थी जिनको सिर्फ बच्चे ही सुन सकते थे. ओके, सो these 4 your question answer. Okay, now move to your textbook. Here is your talk time. Roses. I like roses. Most roses are red. Some are white. Some are yellow. Are there blue roses? Children, have you seen any blue roses? No, I haven't seen any blue roses. Now next, which one is your favorite color? Sorry, favorite flower? Learn its name in English. Okay, so here I write some flowers name. First is sunflower, second is marigold, third is lotus, fourth is jasmine. So you have to write your favorite flower. Okay, now say aloud. So here some words. So students, this exercise is to make you understand the correct pronunciation. of the words. Okay, so let's start. First is little. What? Little. Second, people. Third, purple. Happily, sleepily, proudly. Slippery, thirsty, pretty. Again we will do little, people, purple, happily, sleepily, proudly. Slippery, thirsty and pretty. Okay. Next is team time. Make a flower scrapbook. So here you have to do what you have to do. You will make a flower scrapbook. So let's start. First we will do collect 5 flowers. देखो here are 5 flowers. So we have to collect 5 flowers. Second, put each flower carefully between the pages of an old book, as you can see there. Third, place some heavy books on top of the old book. Leave it for some days, like this. Stick the pressed flowers carefully in your scrapbook. Write the name of each flower. Okay, so you have to do it your own self. Okay. Now next is word building. Name 2 words in each petal which you see in a garden. Okay. So here you have to write 2 words which you see in the garden. So here in insects, what insects you have seen? Yes, we see like bee and bees and butterfly. This is your homework, student. Okay, now I am writing these words, but you have to do it yourself. Okay, now trees. Which trees you have seen? Yes, I see mango and neem. Okay. Birds, we see in birds like sparrow and parrot. We see other many birds also like pigeon, crow. Okay. Now tools. In tools we see in the garden spade and grass cutter. Okay. Flowers. Flowers we see rose and jasmine. Okay guys, so here your question answer is over. I hope you have understood these question answers. Thank you. Have a nice day.